Did you know that you can create a fully illustrated storybook in under 30 minutes? No illustration skills, graphic design experience, or even storybook writing expertise required. In this video, watch me build one from scratch, keyword research and all. Hi, I'm Gabrielle, a self-published author and a mom of two beautiful kids. On my channel, I share tips and tools for making money online, thanks to which Amazon pays my bills even when I'm not working. You probably already know that you can create stunning illustrations using AI, but pulling everything together into a complete book is a lot of work. Or at least it used to be, because today I'm going to show you how to create a full storybook from scratch, ready to upload to KDP using just one tool. Before, you had to generate your images in Midjourney or ChatGPT and then struggle to keep your story characters consistent across every illustration. Otherwise, each one would look completely different. Then you had to verify you had the commercial rights to use them and upscale everything to a high enough resolution for print, because low-res images print pixelated and look terrible, and then import them one by one into a file correctly set up for Amazon KDP. That whole process took a significant amount of time and required multiple tools, but thanks to BookBolt, that struggle is over. They recently added a brand new feature to the BookBolt Studio that lets you create a complete storybook. It generates all the illustrations, writes the story, and even keeps your main character consistent across every single page. Want to see it in action? Let's get started. First, sign up for BookBolt using the link in the description. You can try it for free, and with my code Gabrielle20, you get an exclusive 20% lifetime discount. Now, let's do some keyword research to make sure our book will sell. Never create a book without knowing if there is demand for it. BookBolt has amazing product and keyword research tools, and they recently redesigned the entire interface, which is now much cleaner and easier to navigate. A few months ago, I created a video on keyword research using BookBolt, and you can check it out here as the process is still the same. It just looks a bit different. I'm starting with a product search for Easter Bunny book, since Easter is coming up. I don't usually create seasonal books anymore because they don't sell year-round, but I'm curious to see the demand spike around this time of year. I can see a few books with a bestseller ranking under 100K, which is a good sign, though I'm surprised to see that most of them are coloring books or activity books. Next, I go to keyword search and sort by search volume. The highest search volumes confirm there's solid demand for the Easter Bunny topic. However, I want to make sure the words story and book as part of the keyword are also working in my favor. I could start creating the book now in BookBolt, but I like to do deeper research directly on Amazon first. For that, I use Titans Pro by Self-Publishing Titans. I placed the link in the description if you want to check it out. I type Easter Bunny Storybook into the search bar and press their logo. This pulls up an expanded list of keywords that people are actually searching for on Amazon. I sort them by search volume, and it assigns each long-tail keyword a demand score and an opportunity score. The keyword Easter Bunny book has high search volume and low competition, which means my chances of ranking on the first page of Amazon search results and getting more sales are very strong. There are over 18,000 people searching for Easter Bunny book with only 3,258 product results. Self-Publishing Titans gives this keyword a demand score of 7 and an opportunity score of 9, which is excellent. The higher the score, the better the keyword. You can also save this keyword list, scores, and all as an Excel sheet. So now I type that promising keyword into the search bar and press enter to see the first page of results. Titans Pro shows me just 2,854 results, and the average BSR is 28,286, which is well below the recommended 100K. The one thing I find a little challenging is the average review count, which is on the higher side. In general, the lower the average reviews, the easier it is to compete. Self-Publishing Titans even shows me a breakdown of words used in product titles, which is really useful for choosing your own title and subtitle. I scroll down and look for independently published books. I spot one with a BSR of 26,575, which is great for an indie book. I click on it for more details and can see it's making between $1,000 and $2,000 a month with approximately 200 to 400 sales. I scroll down further to see the BSR history graph, price changes, and more. The product details at the bottom match what Titans Pro displayed. I also notice a significant gap in this market. Most books ranking for that keyword are either coloring books, activity books, or storybooks from traditional publishing houses. There are very few independently published storybooks, probably because creating one used to be so difficult and expensive. But now, with BookBolt, you can create one in minutes. Now that we've confirmed there's demand, we're ready to build the book. Go to BookBolt Studio, choose New Project, then Paperback Cover and Interior. Add a project name, a trim size, and your interior and paper type. For a small children's book, the best choice is Premium Color Interior with white paper. Standard color requires more pages, and I only want 30. The minimum is 24. I did make a mistake at one point in this video and ended up with fewer pages than I needed for the story, so be careful. You have to also consider the first blank page, title page, and copyright pages besides the story pages. You can't add or remove pages beyond this point if you want to have the right book and page measurements for KDP. Next, add your story parameters. This is where you set how many pages of the book the actual story will span, along with the layout, language, target age range, story template, and the moral or lesson. You can also add extra details in the additional prompt field. Then, define your character's appearance. I'm choosing a human child and naming her Begonia. She has hazel eyes, medium skin tone, brown hair, and a purple and pink outfit. You can add more specifics in the additional prompt field too. For art style, I chose watercolor. Press Generate Character. It takes a few seconds to show the result, and if you're not happy with the result, regenerate it and pick the one you like best. Once your character is ready, press Generate Content. After a couple of minutes, the full story is created. You can generate each image individually or simply choose Generate all 23 illustrations and wait. The enhanced option uses more credits but produces better results. I was happy with what was generated, so I didn't use it. After all the images are generated, you can regenerate any illustrations you're not happy with and even edit the prompts used to create them. I noticed the bunny didn't look quite right, so I tweaked the prompts. You can also edit the story text or regenerate the whole story using the button below. Once you're happy with everything, click Continue to Pages. This shows you all the pages laid out. Click Select First 20 or whichever pages your story will go on. It's worth leaving space at the beginning for a blank page, a title page, and a copyright page. Next, choose your font, text size, alignment, and font color. There's also an option to add an undertext color, which I think looks really lovely. I'm going with a light purple. Press Submit, and it will place all the illustrations onto their respective pages. Here's something you won't see in other videos. The first spread shows the back and front cover together. You can also create a consistent character for your cover. Most people on YouTube don't show you this. Click AI Tools, choose Image Generator, and instead of Precise, select Current AI Story Context. Then make sure to include your character, in my case at Begonia, and describe the image you want. I'm generating 2 images, one for the front cover and one for the back. Both turned out beautifully, and I went with the last one for the cover. Then I add the book title and any other cover text. This is just a demo, so I'm keeping it simple, but remember that your cover design and title are incredibly important. I have a special gift for you today. The #1 factor for getting sales on your KDP books is your cover, so you need one that's actually built to get sales. That's why I love 100 Covers. They've designed over 20,000 covers and actually tracked how each one performed in real sales and ads. So you're not just getting a pretty cover, you're getting one that's designed to make people want to buy. And with my code Gabrielle, you get 30% off their already affordable prices. Thank you 100 Covers for sponsoring this video. I'm also adding a title page by copying the text from the cover, pasting it in, and grabbing one of the interior story images to use there too. I could generate a new image for it, but this is quicker. Once you're happy with the book, go to Download in the top menu. Choose Download Current Project CMYK for printed books, or Download Current Project RGB for an ebook. I'm downloading both. Once the zip files are decompressed, you'll find one file for the cover and one for the manuscript, both ready to upload to KDP. Here's what the PDF looks like, and I think it turned out really nice. One thing I did notice is that there's no EPUB file, which is the format for ebooks. To publish an ebook, you'd need to convert the PDF to EPUB, which you can do using Kindle Create or other dedicated tools. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a video on that. And that's how you create a full storybook in a Flash using BookBolt. I'd love for you to try it yourself using my link in the description. And don't forget to use code Gabrielle20 for an exclusive 20% lifetime discount. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and I'll read every one. If you found this helpful and want to keep learning the best tools and strategies for building passive income streams so you can spend more time with your family, please give this video a like and subscribe. And for more on how to succeed with Amazon KDP, check out my playlist next.